Starbucks. They met at Starbucks. All right, and sing. What are we doing? Okay.
Hello! It's so good to see you again. As we spoke about in Starbucks, I do a cooking show.
Oh, I love it.
Did you hear that?
What was that?
That's the sound of it starting.
The cooking show started. Good, I love it.
It's kind of a
So this whole table has food. I'll do a nice Indian song. So what we gotta do is we're gonna show these people how to cook, right?
Yes, yes. If you look at the camera right there.
Right there?
Yep,
Okay.
right there. We're gonna show them how to
I'll stand right there. Go! Okay, got it. Okay, crack that egg.
Oh!
Oh, you broke that egg. Not too good. Here, I'll pick up this chicken
Oh, great.
and I'll squeeze it and give you another egg. Right, okay, so you got the egg. Want to cut? Okay, just crack, a little crack. Oh, there you go, that's sweet. Now listen to the rip. You know what we like to do with these cooking shows? We like it to be so fresh. So I'm just going to go milk this cow. Or just ran out of air. I'm going to milk the cow, okay? So I get a little milk, ready?
Great.
Okay, all right, all right. One more time. I'm just going to try one of the other four. Okay, ready, go. There you go. It's a little bit of milk. That's okay. Came out like ice cream. Okay, so we got milk and eggs. What do you want to make?
Into the hot frying pan.
Oh, listen to this. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good song.
Ever so gently, you need to, with the
Spatula. Right.
You know?
Oh, look, it's got a nice rhythm. It's like a Zumba thing.
That's
Oh, we're gonna. Yeah. I'm gonna put some onions, chop up some onions for
Great,
it, okay?
that's perfect.
And it's a music contest, apparently. Ready? Let's go. Oh, look at